He was so fortunate a couple of years ago to have this person come in and take charge and start some wonderful things like Trash to Treasure, and just really take a leadership role in every way. She's the perfect example of living a healthy lifestyle and reaching for the stars. Outstanding commitment to leadership and wellness in wellness goes to Rain Demon.
I will be singing Never Grow Up by Taylor Swift. Is it loud enough? Your little hands wrapped around my finger and it's so quiet in the world tonight. Your little eyelids flutter cause you're dreaming, so I took you in, turn on your favorite night light. To you, everything's funny. You got nothing to regret. I give all I have, honey, if you could say like that. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up, just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up, could say this simple. I won't let nobody hurt you, won't let no one break your heart. Yeah, no one will desert you, just try to never grow up. Yeah, never grow up. In the car on the way to the movies and you're mortified your mom's dropping you off. At 14 there's just so much you can't do, and you can't wait to move out someday and call your own shots. But don't make her drop you off around the block. Remember that she's getting older too. Don't lose the way that you dance around in your PJs getting ready for school. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up, just say this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up, could say this simple. No one's ever burned you, nothing's ever left you scarred. And even though you want to, just try to never grow up. Take pictures in your mind of your childhood room. Memorize what it sounded like when your dad gets home. Remember the footsteps, remember the words said, remember little brother's favorite songs. I just realized everything I have is someday gonna be gone. So here I am in my new apartment in a big city, they just dropped me off. It's so much colder than I thought it would be, so I took myself in, turned my nightlight on. Oh, wish I'd never grown up. Oh, I wish I'd never grown up. Oh, I don't wanna grow up. Wish I'd never grown up. I could still be little. Oh, I don't wanna grow up. Wish I'd never grown up. It could still be simple. always try to never grow up.
Rain Demon, please stand. Rain is the recipient of the Telegram and Gazette Student Achievement Award, the Hanover Insurance Scholarship, the West Boylston High School National Honor Society Scholarship, the Junior League of Worcester Scholarship, the Cumberland Farm Leave and Achieve Scholarship, and the Greater Worcester Community Foundation Scholarship.
Rain Demon.
Throughout high school, Rain has been involved in the Friends Inspiring Student Health Club, varsity tennis, swim team, and the a cappella club. She's a member of the National Honor Society, the Triad Music Honor Society, and the Spanish National Honor Society. Rain will be attending Northeastern University and majoring in behavioral neuroscience.